Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly create a row report in Smartsheet using a simple form as an example. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to set up a form and gather customer insights, but you'll also see firsthand how Smartsheet can help you organize and analyze that data in a really efficient way. This is perfect for anyone managing orders, returns, or just trying to understand their customer experience better. Let's dive right in. Imagine you're running an online store. Customers occasionally need to return products, and you want to find out why, maybe to improve your service, flag issues with shipping, or just spot recurring problems. The best way to collect those details is with a form or survey that captures exactly the information you need. So first things first, we have a form already set up for our Smartsheet row report. It's tailored for our returns process. We're going to use this as the tool for customers to submit their feedback. Having a dedicated form ensures you get consistent, organized data every single time someone fills it out. Let's take a closer look at what's on our form. We've included an order number field. This is super important because it uniquely identifies which transaction or order the return relates to. If you don't include this, you could end up with a pile of return reasons and no idea which customer or product they belong to, so don't skip this. Next, we have a return date. Adding a date lets you track trends over time. Maybe you notice one particular batch has a spike in returns during a specific week. That's valuable insight you really don't want to miss. Now let's talk about the reason for return. This is set up as a drop-down menu. Why a drop-down? Well, drop-down menus keep your data tidy. No one is typing in random responses or creative spellings. Instead, you're guiding customers to pick from a set of reasons you've already defined, which makes your future reporting 100 times easier. There are 3 options listed: didn't arrive on time, damaged product, and wrong product. These cover the common scenarios you care about, but of course you can customize this list to fit your needs. Maybe your business has its own unique return reasons, add those in. The key is you're starting with the most frequent, actionable categories. Once you've added these fields to your form, don't forget to save it. This step might seem obvious, but I can't tell you how many times people build the perfect form, forget to hit save, and then wonder why the changes aren't there. So a gentle reminder, always save your work. After saving, switch over to the form preview. This is a great way to see exactly what your customers will fill out and also to test the process yourself. I always recommend doing a quick test run. Just fill out the form as if you were a customer, plug in an order number, pick a return date, select a reason from the dropdown, and hit submit. This lets you catch any mistakes ahead of time so your actual customers have a smooth experience. Now let's go back to our main sheet in Smartsheet. As soon as you submit the form, you'll see the new row appear automatically in your sheet. Right there, you've built what's called a row report. Every form submission shows up as its own row, giving you a real-time, organized view of all your return data. And that's it, you've just created a practical, automated way to collect and review return information from your customers. Over time, this report will help you identify trends, spot issues, and ultimately serve your customers better. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick, actionable tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.